like $45,000 on this event, and we had horrible stormy weather. So we're hoping to raise even more this year because we put 233 people through treatment. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank you for all of your generosity and support. I think you guys might win. You might win.
There it is.
I wouldn't be surprised if they won it.
A white sport coat and a pink carnation. I'm all dressed up for the dance. A white sport coat and a pink carnation. I'm all alone in romance. Once you told me long ago, to the prom with me you'd go. Now you've changed your mind, it seems. Someone else will hold my dreams. And a pink carnation, and in a blue, blue moon. A white sport coat and a pink carnation.
Look at that trophy! Congratulations! Thank you, thank you. Oh, wow. Thank you. Oh, thank you, thank you. Congratulations.
I'm all alone in romance.
And that's all, folks.
I'm not afraid of getting older. I'm one less day from dying young. I see the light go past my shoulder. I'm one less day from dying young. I see my life like a train on a one-way track. I've made mistakes and I couldn't take them back, and I've been afraid that I
Thank you. Thank you all for being here tonight, because if it weren't for your support of our mission, there is no way I would be standing on this stage right now. Now, the next story is very near and dear to my heart. Let's hear a big, big welcome for Morgan.
Hi, I'm Morgan Hermanson. I just want to start off, my sobriety day is April 4th, 2021. I'm 500 days sober today. I'm just super grateful. It's not easy every day. You know, I've been struggling recently, but like I said, Emily's that guardian angel, and when I don't have strength to get through it, she's there pushing me along behind me. So I just want to say thank you for supporting this amazing foundation and for everyone here tonight.
You're amazing. So really, thank you. Every single person who's here tonight, every single person who has supported Emily's Hope, thank you from the bottom of my heart.
I'm one less day from dying young.